That's what we have. That's what we have. That's what we have. And that's what we're taking out. That mirror. This one is blind spot. What is this thing? No blinkers. Huh. This is not the SL version. I don't know. But since the door panel's out of our way, that's first. That door panel, which we're taking off. So let's start with trapdoor 1 and looks like trapdoor 2. Let's get them out. Not hard. Top first. This slides downward into it on a downward angle. 10 mil, 10 mil. Let's get them out. Look, it even tells me inside the door it's an Altima. That's awesome. So straight out, straight out. I always go from the corner. So if you grab from the corner and pull out towards you, it'll all pull out. It all clips. So let's get this guy unplugged. And there are 2 different ones, so you can't mess this up. And that should be it. But with the harness, let's get this door thing. I want to see if this pops up or in. So I flipped the door completely upside down just to see if I can do this, which makes it so much easier. You got a clip here, clip, and this looks like a safety clip of some sort. Let's play with this and get this off and shut the car off. So it's a flimsy looking thing. You sort of have to just push it in. I don't know why is this supposed to lock into place? No, it's a weird looking clip. It doesn't move. It does look like it goes up and down though. Huh. I don't know. It popped right out though. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And there you go. There's your door panel. Let's get the rest of it out of our way. And there she goes. Now let's get that out. 3 pushes. Push, push, push. It wasn't easy pulling in my hand, so I used this guy. Make it easier. Got up under, and the rest popped right out. Now you can't unplug. No, you can. Plug's right there for the LED. Anyway, I started taking these out. So let's get the rest of these out. And I bet you have to pull and squeeze these and push the mirror right out. Yep. She immediately moved. Let's see, I'll show you. Oh, it does keep it in place. So if you squeeze these 2, the mirror will fall right out in your hand. So let's do that. I am curious. Squeeze with these. Yep. And that is how you remove it. Oh wait, we got more? No way. Let's see what's holding us up over here. Okay, so I still have it plugged in, which is good, so it doesn't go flying. All you gotta do is unplug it there. This little rubber snaps right through the door, right into the mirror. So whoop-de-doo. So just pull it right out. All it does is just snap right in. So let's put this and line this back up and show you. Stay. See? Got a little hole. It goes right through both. There you go. Put the 3 screws back, and you know the deal. Like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Oops. Thanks for watching.